There is a lot of things you can do with the Garmin Instinct, but in this video I will stick to the basic of how to use your Garmin Instinct watch. And if you want to know more about it, after you watch that video you will be more comfortable to discover more about this watch by your own. But if you want more tutorials, you can see that playlist just right here. So how it works. Basically, you have a selection button just right here, and you have a back button just right here. And to navigate into the watch, you can use the up and down button. As you can see, this is the menu button, but there's also a sub function that is written into it. So we see up, and we see down, and we see back. And we see light. So yes, if I hit that button, actually there's a lot of light so we don't see it, but this just had come up the backlight. So basically you got your watch here with the watch face, and you got the time, altitude, your heart rate, and those kind of things. And you can navigate with up and down through some widget. So if we go down, here I can see my heart rate for the last 4 hours, my day, so I can see that I've done a walk of 37 minutes. I've done 12 minutes of intensity activity, and I've climbed 13 floors. This is the music tab, this is the notification tab, and weather. So when you navigate from the watch face, the main page, with up and down, you go through widget. And as soon as you are onto a page, you can always press and hold the menu button to modify something. So you've got heart rate option, and as I said, when I go up and down, those are widget. So if you want to reorder the widget, move this one, the heart rate, over or lower another one, I can do it here. If I come back to the menu, I can also add widget or remove this widget if I don't want it. So as you can see, if I go on add widget, I can add something to see my last run, rides, swims, steps, floor climbs, my stress level, a dog tracker. Dog tracker is another device from Garmin. So if you put a dog tracker on your dog, you can basically see where your dog is. Those are third-party stuff. If I want to add something about the moon phase, I can add it just like that. So next time I navigate here, instead of having at first this heart rate, I'm gonna have the moon phase, which is actually almost full, and will rise at 1816 and will set at 411. So that's some stuff you can do with the up and down. So that's navigate to widget. You have another kind of widget by going into the control button and holding it like that. You see those are about the same widget but display differently. So you want a timer, alarm clock, you want to set some stuff, you can do it here. And again, we are on a different page. If you want to access the menu of this page, you can press and hold the menu button and access this page. So if I want to remove control or add other controls, there is other stuff you can add from here. So again, I'm gonna go back. And of course it's a GPS watch. So if you want to do some activity, the fun button is just right here, the GPS. So you press it once and you can start a run, a walk, hike, climb, and those are activities I predefined. And if I go down, there's the navigate tab, track me, or all those things, or I can add other stuff. So if I want to do trail run, tread miles, indoor track, bike indoor, mountain bike, pool swim, autumn water, there is all the sports possible. So if I want to, sorry, I've been fast, so I've been back and come back to the GPS mode. So if I want to go for a walk, so I will select walk, and actually it will try to get the GPS. And if I go up, I can go into some options, so I can set a course from the phone. Those are the kind of things we will see in the most advanced tutorials in the playlist I've shown in the upper right corner at the beginning. You can change your walk settings, because actually I've been back. As you can see, there's the distance, the timer, the ascent, the altimeter, my hertz zone, and I can modify it again. If I press on the menu button, I can go on walk settings and change the data screens, and if I press here, I can adjust the layout, what I see on the field. And yeah, so you see, every page you can press and hold to modify it by going into the menu and modify everything. So if I want to change, yeah, it's a 5 layout, that's fine. But if I want something else, then the heart rate on that tool's up here, I can come here and choose something into the timer field, distance field, pace, speed, heart rate, cadence, temperature, elevation, whatever. And there's a lot of other options inside of this. So go back, go back, go back, go back, back and back. And yes, and of course there is the main menu of the screen that you can access from the watch face. You press and hold the menu button and you go down onto settings, and from here you've got all other settings, and most of them will be also into system. So yeah, basically what you have to remember: selection, back, up and down, and navigate into your watch and have some fun. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.